Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to export your Copilot responses to Word. This is very easy and simple, and it's very important since sometimes you would like the response that the actual Copilot has given you to be turned into Word directly. For example, here I was like talking to Copilot, and at certain point I was like, write me an article about World Cup 2026. So once I do that, I would get a full word cap examples and stuff like that, research and overview and a text. Well, I don't want it to be like that. I want this to be in a Word format. So what I'm gonna do simply is I'm gonna go ahead and tell him to actually export or turn this into an article in Word format. And as you will see here, here's a polished WordCap 2026 written style you can easily copy into Microsoft Word and format as professional documents. As you can see already, you can literally just click and copy all of that, and then you can literally just open like your Word document. So let's open Word and let me show you how it should look like. So let me just open a new document like this, paste it here, and as you can see, here is how it should look like. So you need to do a couple of fixes in case there were, and just like that, you would be able to have a full actual article made by Copilots. Other than that, you could ask them to generate for you the Word documents, but in my case here, I don't have the free premium version, so I don't have the access to it, but you could do that as well. But overall, this is very simple, easy task to do. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video. And yeah, if you have any more questions about this, make sure to mention them in the comment section. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next upcoming video. Bye bye.